Hello and welcome to valleyfarmsupply.com. Today we're going to discuss the Gallagher Smartfence portable all-in-one fencing system. Right now we're watching a video on how to set up the system and what comes with it. Basically, it's a set of reels, wires, and posts in a convenient all-in-one package. It's easy to set up, move, and take down. This is ideal for temporary paddocks, rotational grazing, fixing fence, or anything you need for containing animals. We are Valley Farm Supply. We're one of the largest Gallagher dealers in North America. And you can visit our websites at valleyfarmsupply.com, or to order, visit GallagherElectricFencing.com or GallagherElectricFence.com. We have the best selection, the lowest and most competitive pricing, and the best service in the industry. Visit us today and check out what the Gallagher Smartfence can do for you and your farm. Thank you and have a great day.